Alrighty, Courtney, here's your small block Ford. Your description of this combination, it's got a set of our heads on it. It's got the Pro-Am manifold, Holley throttle body, obviously fuel management, Holley Terminator X. Beautiful little Specialties front end on it, all polished. Custom grind hydraulic roller. We got the rear sump oil pan. We'll go in there and make a run, see how she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3300 is 492 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 523, peaks horsepower 520, so we're rated at 500. It's got the new heads, EFI, so that's all improvements, and it's got our front end on it, so it runs really good. What we'll do now is pull pipes back, make sure the exhaust is really good and clean for you, and I'm going to show you one another without hanging. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card full of technical information. It's got all your engine build specs, engine pictures, Dyno videos, a lot of technical stuff to read. So I highly recommend plug it in, look at it. Also on the engine will be this tag. It'll have the engine number, valve lash, oil capacity, balance, things of that nature. Hold on to this tag. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up when you call for any kind of information. So have a great day.